Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Today I am going to be making a lace masterboard. So I've pulled out these two beautifully vintaged music sheets and then a bunch of little bits and pieces of my lace. Some were larger pieces that I cut down just for this project, so I had smaller pieces to work with. And then some of them are just bits and pieces the way I found them. I got those, and then I also have some other bits and pieces in here that are more like longer pieces. And then I even have a little bit of pink, although I don't think I'll use a lot of it, maybe some of the softer, subtle colors. I'm not sure, but I want to go mostly with just neutral colors. And then when I'm making the pieces, I can add a little bit to them and embellish them a little bit more. So just the basic base for today. Okay, so let's just get started here. I've not made one of these before, so we will see how it goes. I have seen a couple of other YouTubers make them, so I've watched those. I'm not going to worry about gluing it down like really well everywhere, especially on the edges, simply because I may want to tuck something up underneath. And also I can kind of lift everywhere after I've cut them up, and then I'll sort of know where the glue really needs to be and just glue it a little bit better. I'll fast forward the video here in a minute and get this one covered, and then I'll move right on to the other one. Okay, so I went to put this one up and grabbed the other one and thought, ooh, I just want to add a couple more pieces. So I did that, and then now I'm getting a little bit carried away adding a couple more. So I just thought I would turn the camera back on. I just wanted to grab a few little pieces just to add a little bit more color here and there. Again, once it's all cut and we know what it's going to be, we can add to it then as well. But yeah, so I'm adding this piece right here. Come on. And then what did I add? I added this little piece brown, and then there was just a piece left over right there. And I have another piece of that stuff right there, and I really like the color. So I'm not sure where I should add it. Oops. Maybe right there. The lace is pretty thin here, so it won't bulk it up too much. Okay. Okay. That's it. Now it's done. I really like this stuff. I need to get more, I think it's cotton. I really like it a lot. Cotton, and I need some, oops, I need more applique. I have pretty much no applique. And I don't seem to find it in any thrift shops around here. So I think I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and buy some. Just kind of adding these little bits here and there like I did on the other one, and they just have a little bit of a shimmer, so it just helps things stand out a little bit. So I'm just going to put a couple pieces of, or maybe like one piece of this. Somewhere. Oh, I didn't even cover this spot right there, but that's kind of shimmery, and so is that, but that's fine. We can have two shimmery pieces side by side. Yeah, like I said, once that this is cut up, we can embellish it more based on what we're putting it on. So, but but I don't want to add too much more because I don't want it to be super thick. I'm thinking of adding a shimmery piece over here somewhere. And then I think I'm going to stop. Or maybe one more. There we go. That's it, you guys. Look at my fingers. 2 lace masterboards. Who would have known, hey? I had never even thought of doing this before. Yeah, awesome. It'll be really exciting to see what it looks like when it's cut up and embellished and stuff. So that's it for today, you guys. I will be back again soon, and we will chop it up and start making embellishments with it for our journal. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.